Crawley, one of the professor's students, comes running in to tell Christine, who is Nancy Gibbs's maid, that he has succeeded in encouraging many of the good folk of Chelsea to come and join in the rehearsal of Jacob's opera.
I have raced about in Chelsea. I've invited all I met, and I'm pretty sure we shall see just the best ones I could get. There's an artist and his model, there's a blacksmith and his girl, then our most respected rector and a steward and collector, then a sailor, soldier, tailor, and the footman of an earl. Together we shall be a happy company, joy and laughter in the air. This is a holiday for Chelsea. Golden sunbeams everywhere, and so let's smile at every care. Today is not just another day. Today, a holiday for Chelsea. Everyone, no matter who, girls of 17, boys of 82, must be happy, must be gay. It's a jolly holiday.